Hey guys, Nessa here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Audacity for free legally, so you don't get prosecuted for taking softwares in pirated versions from these pirated websites. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Now, I found a website and it's called audacityteam.org, which is an official website from Audacity team, and I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description so you can download it on Mac, Linux, and Windows. I know a lot of you will download on Windows, so I'm gonna do it with Windows this time, but certainly you can download it for Mac and Linux, as you can see, and all you have to do is to click the link down below in the description, which is going to lead you to this website, and then you just need to click on download Audacity. I want to make sure to show you guys how to download it correctly and how to install it, of course. Now, as you can see, it asks you for some things, which is like 64-bit or 32-bit, Audacity for Windows, Audacity for Mac OS X, OSS, Audacity for GNU Linux, and for the sake of this video I'm going to just click on download Audacity for Windows, but you can do with Mac and Linux too. Now, as you can see, our current version is 2.3.3, right? So it gives you recommended downloads, the latest version of Audacity, and it gives you basically with manual or without manual. I highly recommend checking this with manual. So Audacity 2.3.3 installer includes user manual. Make sure it includes user manual if you don't know what you're doing, right? So we're gonna click on this one, okay, and it's gonna lead you to this page. As you can see, Audacity Windows installer, macOS DMG, Linux source, Windows zip. You can download a zip file, but that's without manual. We're gonna go with Windows installer, and as you can see, it's literally downloading right now. Now, what you want to do when it finishes, just click on it, show in folder, or you can just click on open, but I like to click on show in folder, instead. Sorry about that. Show in folder, right click on it, run as administrator. Yep, choose English or whatever language you prefer. Next. See program files. Yeah, create the desktop shortcut. I never created a desktop shortcut. I love letting my desktop clean. Okay, install, and as you can see, it's gonna extract files and install it. Wait a second. And one thing to note, I think that it's the latest version right now, but maybe even a newer version would come out until you start watching this video, so just don't mind it, We're gonna launch Audacity. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description so you can click on it for the easier use of it. I'm gonna leave, of course, with the manual, but you can download it without the manual. It's even a smaller zip file. Anyways, as you can see, we can use Audacity right now, right? Check for updates. Let's see if there's updates. 2.33, latest version. Alright, so we have a latest version here. As you can see, we can do it. We can record the mic. You can click on here, it says record, and it's literally recording right now. I think I'm having the headphones plugged in, so it's it's not gonna record much. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description, and just follow everything I did literally, and you're gonna have legal Audacity free download. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video and found it valuable. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.